is red, the color red. Red, red, red. This is red, the color red. Red, red, red. Do you know what color is this?
Red.
This is red. Mommy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? This is blue, the color blue. Blue, blue, blue. This is blue, the color blue. Blue, blue, blue. Do you know what color is this?
Blue.
This is blue. Brother finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? This is yellow, the color yellow. Yellow, yellow, yellow. This is yellow, the color yellow. Yellow, yellow, yellow. Do you know what color is this?
Yellow.
This is yellow. Sister finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? This is green, the color green. Green, green, green. This is green, the color green. Green, green, green. Do you know what color is this?
Green.
This is green. Baby finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? This is purple, the color purple. Purple, purple, purple. This is purple, the color purple. Purple, purple, purple. Do you know what color is this?
Purple.
This is purple. Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the master and 1 for the dame. 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane. Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full.
Blue.
Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the master and 1 for the dame.
Red.
1 for the little boy who lives down the lane. Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full.
Yellow.
Baba, red sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the master and 1 for the dame.
Green.
For the little boy who lives down the lane. Baba, red sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full.
Purple.
Baba, blue sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the master and 1 for the dame.
Orange.
1 for the little boy who lives down the lane. Baba, blue sheep, have you any wool?